Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan mga kaibigan, let's make a wish. Ayan, we're celebrating our birthday together because last time, 4 days ago, he doesn't have cake. So let's blow our cake together. Make a wish first.
I wish for 45 more years. Make me around 100.
Let's blow our cake! Yay! Yay! Happy birthday! Ayan po mga kaibigan. How old are you mo? 55. 55 years old. Me, 43. Ayan, so let's eat mga kaibigan. I show you my creation tonight. Siyempre ang ating birthday cake.
That was an amazing job you did cooking that, honey.
Birthday cake. Then, we have giant pan of bami, pansit, bihon and canton. Yan po mga kaibigan. We have garlic, buttered shrimp, but no sauce. Ayan, kind of pan fry. And our air fryer chicken. Fried chicken, but no cook. We're not cooking with oil, just air fry, healthy. Ayan. Then we can eat na. Would you get my Coke in the fridge?
Is it for reals?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. Can I start with cake first?
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
Ko lang po sa inyo mga kaibigan ang special na gabi ngayong gabi. Ayan po mga kaibigan, I made something special for myself and also for hubby. Dahil birthday po natin ngayon mga kaibigan, kaya nagluto tayo ng simply delicious na dinner, no? Instead of going out, I decided to stay at home and cook my favorite food. Ayan. So meron tayong cake dito, ang laki po ng ating cake. Ito pong cake na ito is 3 leches cake. Ayan, the reason why dalawa ang candles dyan mga kaibigan, kasi si hubby nakiblow siya kanina sa ating cake. Ayan. And meron din po tayong garlic buttered shrimp, pero wala po yung sabaw. Butter, garlic at seasoning lang po yan mga kaibigan. We also have air fryer chicken or fried chicken, pero hindi niluto sa oil. Dahil air fryer po ang ginamit natin. And we also have bami or pansit bihon with canton. Bami po ang tawag niyan mga kaibigan. Isang kawaling malaki. Ayan. So ano pa bang hinihintay natin? Abay, kainan na yan mga kaibigan. Ayan, samahan nyo kaming kumain ng aming simpleng hapunan. Yan. Ang simpleng selebrasyon ng aking birthday. Kasama na lang si hubby. Ayan. Ito lang po. Kasi mas gusto kong kumain sa bahay lang mga kaibigan. Kaya naman, thank you for watching. Bye-bye! Yeah, big. Thank you. Kaya mga kaibigan, slice na kami ng aming cake, aming birthday cake.
Yeah, do you want, how much more do you want? Right there? Okay. Oh, you can go big at all. You want modest.
Ayan po, slice na po ang aming birthday cake. Ayan, aming birthday cake ni hubby. Naki-birthday cake siya sa akin kasi 4 days ago wala pong birthday cake si hubby. Kaya ngayon lang po. Yo, look at that, dude. Look at that. Ano to? 3, what do you call this cake? Forgot. 3 something.
3 somethings.
Ayan.
Well, I got a big piece there, but I had to run that strawberry, so it's sort of stuck. That's alright, folks.
What's hubby?
Really?
3 leches. I remember now.
This chocolate.
No.
Can I transfer?
No, I don't. Ayan. 3 leches pa lang pangalan nito mga kaibigan. 3 leches cake.
Oh, yeah.
Ayan. Kaya naman kainan na. Thank you for watching. Bye!